Hi, my forever young mamas. You are welcome back to BJ's Airways TV, where beauty meets confidence and where beauty has no age limit. Have you ever noticed how the right haircut can completely refresh a woman's appearance? Today, we are looking at 7 beautiful short hairstyles that made women over 60 look instantly younger, more confident, and beautifully refreshed. Because true beauty doesn't fade with age, it simply evolves. Let's take a look. As we grow older, hair naturally changes. It may become thinner, softer, or harder to manage. But instead of seeing this as a challenge, many women discover that shorter hairstyles bring a fresh new elegance. Short hair has a special way of opening the face. It highlights natural features, brightens expressions, and creates a lighter, more youthful appearance without trying too hard. What makes these transformations powerful is not only the haircut itself, but the confidence that follows. You can often see the change immediately: brighter smiles, relaxed posture, and renewed self confidence. For women over 60, choosing short hair is about freedom from complicated styling routines, and freedom to embrace simplicity while still looking stylish and modern. Short hair also had movement and volume, which helps the hair appear fuller and more lively. And sometimes letting go of long hair becomes the beginning of a beautiful new chapter. Which transformation do you love the most so far? Tell me in the comments. I would really love to know your favorite look. So these women remind us that elegance has no age limits. Style is not about trying to look younger. It is about feeling comfortable, confident, and proud of who you are today. Short hairstyles allow personality to shine naturally. They frame the face, soften features, and create a polished look that feels effortless. You may notice how confidence grows after each transformation. Smiles become brighter, expressions more relaxed, and beauty feels effortless. Hair is more than appearance, it reflects confidence, identity, and self expression. And these transformations show that beauty continues to grow stronger with time. And wait until you see the final transformation. It beautifully shows how one simple cut can completely refresh a woman's entire look. Sometimes the smallest change creates the biggest difference. A short hairstyle can bring comfort, elegance, and renewed confidence at any stage of life. These transformations prove that looking youthful is not about age, it is about confidence and self care. If you enjoy these inspiring transformations, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to BJ's Airwaves TV for more style inspiration for women over 50 and 60. Remember, confidence is always beautiful and style has no age limits. All props and credits in this video goes to our creative hairstylists who have given us the opportunity to create style to the rest of the world. Kudos to them. Enjoy it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.